Hey people, so today we are trialing a new product called Varonil. I've done a bit of research and checked out their social media. So it's a skincare brand aimed at the active man. So I saw a lot of on their social media, it's a lot of boxing athletes, footballers. So it's aimed at people that have an active lifestyle, that have problems with their skin. So the packaging in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 7-day trial of this. So, see my skin now? I've got a few bumps, to be honest, because I've been working out a little, so yeah. But my skin is kind of clear. So, oh, I like this product. Looks nice, to be honest. Let's see. It smells nice. It does actually smell like another. It does smell like a skincare brand, I know, to be honest, but yeah. So let's do this. So I normally do this. And wet my little thing here. So let's see the consistency of this, to be honest. It's silver. It's silver. That's the first time I've actually seen a skincare thing in silver, to be honest. It's literally silver. And it is kind of a, I don't know, it's kind of a more, it's not really a facial thing consistency, I would say so, but we'll see. Okay. I can't get over that it's silver, to be honest. I think that is the charcoal in it as well, to be honest. So, because this is better in the face, to be honest. So, yeah. It's kind of a looser consistency than a normal facial wash. But it does seem like it's working. It's taking off the dirt and grease off my face, I can see. That's it. I still can't get over. It's silver. That's really mad, to be honest. Now you know me with facial things as well. I'm not really one that if it needs to come off in like 2 goes, to be honest. So we'll see about this. It feels good on, to be honest. It doesn't feel like it's, but it doesn't feel like it's burning or anything. So we'll see. Okay, sort of good colourful thing, to be honest. It's not foaming out. So some things do like foam out in your face when you're taking them off. So yeah. Yeah. Comes off very easily, to be honest. So yeah, that's good. Yeah. I don't see any residue to be honest. So yeah, that's good. After my first use, I would say it's taken off all the grime, to be honest. I can feel that. So yeah, we'll see in 7 days what it does, to be honest. But it says it fights acne and clears spots and increases hydration and protects skin against sun damage. So yeah, charcoal gentle face wash by Varonil. Clean up nice. So yeah, I'm going to do another video in 7 days so you can see. This is the 7 days one. Yeah, I'll catch up with you. Follow my social media down there. Bye.